So talking about connecting with nature, being by the beach is a perfect start. So we've got various different things that we can do to help calm ourselves down at the beach. So like me now, grounding, getting my body in contact with the earth and be getting the measurable physiological benefits from that. We've got the waves just next to me which are creating these negative ions in the air, so there's a lot higher oxygen content than we're used to. And so if we incorporate this into our meditative practice, we can get into a very deep and calm place, and perhaps it will help your creativity flower if you're stuck for ideas or working on something. Being in an environment like this can be extremely